Have you been waiting for the new Princess House products to be announced? You don't have to wait anymore. They're here. My name is Thelindabradley, and I have been with Princess House for 40 years. Amazing. The company's been around for 60. So we have brand new catalogs, and blue is the new color. If you want a catalog, just go ahead and drop me an email. You can reach me at thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will be happy to send you a catalog. But in the beginning, let me show you some of the brand new products for 2024. There's actually 20 new products. I'm missing a couple, but I just didn't want to wait anymore. I'm going to dive right in and go right for it. The new color is blue. So we have brought back our cast iron. This is called a comal, also called a griddle, with the gorgeous blue. And that is the new color. What's really nice about cast iron is that these pieces heat up fast and they stay hot longer. They have great heat retention and they make your foods taste so good. Now listen, over time, cast iron builds up what's called a patina. It's not going to look this beautiful black. It's going to start having different colors in it, and it's going to look like they're stains, but that's called a patina, and you want that to stay because what it is, it's the juices and the oils from the meals that you've cooked. It basically seasons your pan and it makes everything taste so good. So this is our cast iron comal in the red. Oh, in the red. Oh my gosh. It was red. Now it's blue. And now here is the new blue. This is called the Mi Cocina. This is the tamale or the tortilla holder. And it basically has, you can hear it crinkles a little bit. It has a heat retention in here as well. So it's really good. You can make your tortillas and keep them nice and warm. I also use it for pancakes. I use it for dinner rolls. It's great for so many different things. And I'm so honored and excited to show you our brand new item in the Mi Cocina. And this is our 5-quart cast iron casserole, also called a deep Dutch oven. So this has been an item that has been in our catalog before, and people have requested it back. But look at inside. Even though it's cast iron, it has that beautiful creamy white color inside. And this is great for any of your long simmering. You can use it for soups or casseroles. All of your products will come with directions. So they show you exactly how to take care of your products and exactly how to use them. Keep the instructions even after you throw the box out because it's always good to look on and make sure that you're doing everything right. With blue being the new color, we've changed some of our utensils. This is my favorite one. This is called the saute tool. I say all the time that when I first saw it, I was like, what am I ever going to use that for? And now I have multiple ones in my kitchen. It's just perfect to push things around when you don't need a spoon. And now it's in the beautiful blue color. And they have also redesigned our tongs. So you can see that they have the silicone on the bottom part. They are open so they can be good if you're taking things out of frying oil, right? It drains it all, but it's completely non-stick. It won't scratch any of your products. So those are the new tongs. To continue with the blue, last year we introduced as a hostess special I call this the baby blender. This is our portable blender. You've been seeing these everywhere online. You can actually make your foods and take it with you. I use it for so many different things. You charge it on a little USB charge and it lasts for 20 charges. You can do it for 20 times. So I use this for my eggs in the morning. Over around the holidays, I made cookies that I needed to have to crush graham crackers. I used it for that. Of course, smoothies. It fits in your car. It has an extra little top so you unscrew it and then you can take it with you, which makes it super easy. And now I want to show you some of the other new items that I'm really excited about. This one I've been waiting for. So, we have the whole Princess House Pantry Collection. It's been a wildly popular collection. I have it all in my cabinets. I could open it up and show you. And this one is a brand new size. It's 3 quarts. But what I love about this piece is you'll see that in the top there is a terracotta stone. So what you do is you soak this for 15 minutes in water. Then you take it out, you dry it off, and you put it in here, and this will last for 3 months, and it keeps anything in here from clumping. So it's perfect for any of your sugars, whether it's brown sugar, confectionate sugar, regular sugar, and how about cookies, right? When you make up those big batch of cookies and you want to keep them soft, this is what you can use. I'm very, very happy for this. I've been waiting for that to come out. Also, when it comes time to doing some different cooking skills, this is a fine mesh strainer. This will come in really handy over the winter time as you start to make soups, when you want to strain either the fat off of the top or strain some of the vegetables out of it. You can see a fine mesh strainer. I think this is a really nice item. In our Wildflower collection, I can't talk tonight, our Wildflower collection, which is the new collection that kind of replaced Fantasia, they have now come out with the pasta bowls. These come in a set of 4. I love the shape of pasta bowls. They're nice and wide. So when you go to mix your salad, it doesn't fall all over the place. It's also great for soup. And they're also big enough that when you're having a family dinner, you can actually use it in the middle of the table to serve your vegetables. Here's another one, dare I say, that I'm excited about. So these are metal tortilla shapes. So basically what you do is you take your tortilla, whether you've already made it yourself or you buy it at the store, and you just lightly press it in here, and then you put it in the air fryer for like 3 minutes. And what happens is when it comes out, it takes that shape. So now you can make like a taco salad in the tortilla bowl, or even soup, right? That would be so cool. So these come in a set of 2. And then here's a new item that's rather unique. It's a guacamole or dip holder. So what happens is the bottom is plastic, BPA-free plastic, and then the top, you can see that it has handles, like you can put your hand in here. But what happens is you put your guacamole in, and the thing with guacamole, if you make it in advance, it'll go brown when the air gets to it. So what happens is you put it in here and you push this down. And it can push down as much as you need to, right? So let's say you're making a full thing of guacamole and it's nice and full, but then you use it and you have leftovers, you can push it down as far as you need it to go to get all of the air out, and then it stays nice and fresh. So you can use it for other dips as well, spinach dip, but it was specifically made for guacamole because you know that turns brown. Okay, what am I missing? I'm almost done. I have my 2 bookends now. So in the Tri-ply collection, we have an 8-quart Tri-ply stainless steel. This is the 8-quart. So the lid fits either on the actual stock pot or when it has the strainer inside. This is especially nice when you're making large meals. If you're doing like spaghetti, you can go ahead and put this in, and when you take out your spaghetti, it strains right away. You can also use it for seafood or anything like that. This is an 8-quart item. This was available last year as a Hostess item, and now it's in the regular book. See, that's what the company does. A lot of the times we'll bring out brand new products as Hostess specials to see how well they go over and if you like them. And if you like them, a lot of the times you see them in the book. And that leads me to the last item that I wanted to show you, and this is our air fryer. Now, it's more than just an air fryer. You can use it for a dehydrator. You can use it for a toaster oven. You can use it for a regular oven. So it really is great if you have a smaller kitchen and you don't want to use your whole oven. Maybe you're just making a couple things. It's easy to use this as an oven. It comes inside with the tray and with also the basket, but what the company has done is also giving you the opportunity to buy extras so that if you wanted to, I have both of them in here right now, but if you wanted to, you could have 2 baskets, right, to be able to cook whatever you're cooking. And it's a really great item. It came out last year and it was, again, very, very well received. So these are the new catalogs. Blue is the color. There are 20 new items. I'm missing a couple. I'm missing some of the Vida Sana. There's new Vida Sana cookware, and there's another Tri-ply skillet. And there's some new Hostess specials. So keep tuned. Make sure you keep your eye out. I'll be doing another video very, very soon with all of the new specials for you as well. So welcome to 2024. We're really glad that you're here. You can reach me at any time, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. Let me know that you'd like me to send you a catalog, and I'll be more than happy to do so. And I'm very excited about all the new products, and I hope you are too. See you next time.